Elker, what's up, bro? Hold on, these aren't even coming through. Do I need to reset this chat? What up, 8? After 1 minute is kind of crazy, bro. I was gonna, I don't even remember. Why are these chats not coming through? Do I need to restart the app, dude, again? The chat app. I'm gonna do a test. What are you doing, No Felker? If you say your name fast, like the more fast you say it, it sounds like something else. All right, let me see this chat app. It did not come through. What the fuck? What the fuck? All right, where is it? Let me just partially connected. What does that even mean? It's just like, bruh. All right, I had to like reconnect it. Now let's get the chat pulled up. There we go. Been chilling. A game I script on is getting close to beta, so I've been locked in. Hell yeah, bro. That's what's up. Let me try to figure out how to. I don't know what. No idea. There we go. Okay. Dude, just the chats are still not coming through, bro. What is this? Wait, no, maybe they are. Hold on a second. It's going good, bro. What do you know what the game is, or do you not want to talk about it? I'm coding this RPG right now. I'm just trying to get situated. Oh, okay. It's working now. All right. Weird. It's a 99 Nights style game, but with the FANF content. Nice, bro. What's... Oh, Five Nights. Okay. I remember you saying that. I remember you saying that. That's what's up. All right. Let me go back to my notes real quick. Well, I know I need to do something. I need to do one thing real quick. Where's the time until can super jump? Basically cut it in half. I'm gonna see how that looks. Dude, that freaking dude, you're a G, bro. That I love that Star Wars commission, bro. That project is so dope. Like, I have yet to work on like an actual game. I mean, other than this, I like working on this one, but it's in such an early stage, you know? Like, being able to play the Star Wars game and have fun is like really lit. So I've yet to have that experience where I've worked on a game that I've actually really enjoyed playing. So I'm pretty excited for it. What was I doing? Testing the slide. Glad you like it. It's pretty solid job, so thought you'd be good at it. Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate you, man. You're lit, bro. If you ever need work, I pretty much always got something. You'd be surprised how many DMs I get a day from scripting. How, bro? It's so hard for me to find jobs sometimes. I treat everyone like it's a blessing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really... I'm just going to remove it too because I don't really like it either. Oh shit, what was that? Oh, I didn't even... Here, let me just remove that and see what happens. Pays to know people, I guess? How many people do you know, bro? You said you were a part of a Star Wars community. I think that's kind of dope. Not sure why. That's a weird bug that developed, and it doesn't happen for the sprint anymore, but it happens for the walk, and I have no idea what I did to fix it. Jump requested. Oh, shit. I think that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I know a lot of people from that, and word gets around. Awesome, dude. Good job. I hope I'm part of this project, like, long term, to be honest. Like, it seems really chill. We'll see when we start talking about, like, the percentage deal. I think that would be, like, however that goes, would probably be, like, the big thing. But that'd be lit. Yeah, not this one, the Star Wars one, the Star Wars one. So we're gonna revisit that next month. So it's commission based this month, and we're gonna revisit it next month and see about a percentage. But yeah, he said he's working on another Saber game. I'm like, damn, why are you working on another one? This one's so good already. He said the retention though isn't good. He also said that there's a Felker. He said that there was an issue with frames, FPS. That, and I experienced it. I experienced it a ton. I don't know if it's common for other people, but I experienced it a ton. He said there's an issue with frames where the game completely freezes for like 5 to 10 seconds for people. And he cannot for the life of him figure it out. And he's had multiple devs try to figure it out. They haven't been able to. So I'm going to spend some time on that next week in my free time to see if I can figure it out. So I think that'll be kind of cool. He's working on 2? I don't know. I don't know. He said he's working on another Saber game. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but maybe he's like keeping it low key. But yeah, he said he's coming out with another one because this one has low retention. Since is the live stream, we gotta be more low key. Yeah. True, true. How many people are? Why? I don't think a lot of people are in here, bro. Oh, 8. Okay. You're the only one talking. People be lurking, dude. No, people actually be lurking. I don't think it's that serious, though. Oh, wait, Felker, you're right. It is the same Saber game. Yo. I'm trying to, like, recreate the bug, and it's not, like, working out, so I'm just gonna leave it. There's, like, a standing bug, though. This one. I don't understand why that cooks. It shouldn't be cooking. I think it's because of this new way I'm playing the animations, honestly. If I'm keeping it a bug, it's the new way I'm playing the animations. So what I'm gonna do is, I was trying to like keep it, I don't know, keep it from, it fails sometimes, but I put code inside the animation, so I don't know, bro. Okay, that's working. Yeah, what is that? I can't do it again. What are we saying? Mighty Mouse, don't make the combat ass like Forge. It's gonna be all magic, Mighty Mouse. Also, wait, hold on a second. Cause something I said to you got leaked the other day, and I low-key got in trouble for it. How, Foker? Hold on. How did something get leaked? Cause you said it to me? No, that's not a thing, bro. People do not tune into these streams like that. Come on, bro. How the hell? There ain't no way. Also for the FPS drop, it might be because of the Rec V. I had to put a lot of work into that for Saber games I've worked on before. Rec V, what is that? What is Rec V? Because it loads all at once when you face the direction. Interesting. What is Rec V? And Sabers tend to use a lot of Rec V. Rec V is like shit with beams and stuff. Okay, interesting. Well, hey, I'm gonna see if I can fix it next week in my free time, and then do whatever else he wants, like you know, as my main time. You know, and if I can fix it, awesome, dude. Hell yeah. But I told him that I wouldn't use like my main time as like, you know, the time I'd spend on it. So I'm using my own free time for it. Rec V, yeah. I have to look into. I've never heard of Rec V before. The name. I guess this is working now, bro. Because hold on. Why does it stop? Why does that stop? Like, what's it do? It shouldn't be doing that. Okay, I found out what's happening, and I don't know why. It's not trying to slide. That is such a weird bug, bro. I can't remember when it started, but it was not in like last week. All right. I think it's the I want to say it's the idle. I want to say it's the idle, dude. I think it's this right here, dude. Where is it? Oh, this part, this part, this part, this part. I'm gonna have to like figure out a better way to do this. I was just trying to hack something together for the sake of time. Whenever I put that in, I think that's the reason though it's doing it. Just have to figure out how to fix it. No, that's not it. Alright, I'm gonna have to play the animation now. If you enable performance stats, it'll help with monitoring for game performance. Got you. Yeah, I don't really do that usually. Cause hold on a second. I need to look at this. What? It's like trying to play the idle, but it's, and then it's like overplaying the walk. Hold on a second. Well, yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. But why does it stop, though, is the more important question. And it's playing the idle when it shouldn't be playing the idle. It just tried playing the idle twice, another time. See, now it doesn't want to... Now it's working. But if I sprint... Huh? Now I can't even replicate it here. So it doesn't happen all the time. Wait. It's after the super jump? Alright, that's kind of weird. What did you say in Felker? Yeah, I don't really pay attention to performance stuff just because if you use like really good practice, if you use really good practice, then you'll be all good to go. Yeah, if you use good practice and then like also, you know, I mean, yeah, really that's a big part of it, right? Like whenever you're going out of your way to build a mechanic, as long as you're really using good practice and you're aware of what can create bad performance and what can create, you know, good performance, and it's like not really much you have to worry about, I'm not gonna lie. But then, you know, the bigger the project, obviously, you know, stuff can happen that you can't predict, you know, and it can go one way or the other. Um, but yeah. Like if I absolutely needed to, if I absolutely needed to, I would use all that stuff. But I usually don't like find myself really needing to. Oh, or I just look in the data from that you get on the analytics. If that makes sense. I don't know what happens here. I did some stuff. I added some new stuff for the super jump. And it's just like... It's just like... It's broken a couple things. So I don't know. Or is it the slide? I don't think so. It's not the slide. I just checked to see if it's the slide. It only happened after I super jumped. So it's got to be the super jump. Okay. I don't know. It's such a weird thing. But I also don't like how it's playing the idle when we're walking. So I'm gonna need to change that. Because we're obviously not walking. Alright, now I'm gonna super jump. Yeah, there it is. So it's only after we super jump. So weird, bro. What is... I can't for the life of me tell why. Reset sliding. Do you know a good state manager? What was it called? What was it called? Crap. I mean, what do I use for states? I just use attributes, bro. Honestly, do I know a good state manager? Yeah, it's attributes. But then if you want hard data, what do I use? I just be using attributes and stuff, so, or configurations. I use attributes, configurations with attributes, and then, but if you wanted something that was like just code, I would use, what is it called? Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it. It's in resources somewhere. It starts with a C. I can't find it. What the hell? I know I put it in here. I had to have. Maybe I didn't. Dude, I don't think I put it in here. The fuck? Let me just look it up. Let me just look it up, bro. Let me just look it up. What is a state manager that starts with C for Roblox? Charm. It's called Charm, bro. Look up Charm. Charm looks really good. I like Charm. I know there are like open source APIs, but I haven't found any reputable ones. I mean, Charm. Shit. Then there's like Rodux. Yeah, check out Charm. Charm's like super simple to use. It's pretty freaking good. And then Rodux, but Rodux people went away from Rodux to use Charm. So if I was using one, I would just use Charm, but again, I don't really use state managers because it's more work than just using attributes and stuff. Let me see real quick though. I need to figure out this freaking bug, dude. Kinda like don't know where it came from. It just sprouted out when I added in new stuff. And it was good, bro. It's about magic and bosses, boss fighting. Let me try to replicate it without doing the slide super jump. Because if that's the case, yeah. So it's only while sliding super jumping that it creates it. Okay, that's helpful. All right, so yo, what up, bro? What up, Keeper? Gotta hop on a call. I'm gonna head out. All right, bro. It was good seeing you, Felker. What up, Aberrant? Hey, thanks for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Right on, bro. Yeah, the bug is just it glitches out like the animation when you try to jump regularly. I'll show you when I. What up, Zoa? I'll show you when I'm like in there. You'll see it. Am I sharing? Yeah, I am. All right. Sliding. Reset sliding multiplier. I don't know what this could be from, bro. This is not like it's gonna be. I'm like kind of stuck right now because it can't be from any of this, bro. That just wouldn't even make sense. Yo, what up, Snow? Only because, so I'm only doing that because if I need to like if they are sliding, right? So basically if they're sliding, then I want to play the super jump, okay? Like just if they're sliding, right? Like I don't want to necessarily check all this other stuff. You know what I mean? If they're sliding, play the super jump regardless. If they are sliding, right? Then I'm going to do this bit of code here and I'm still going to play the super jump. But if they're not sliding, but these are met, I'm just going to play the super jump. Does that make sense? So it's like Sure, there's probably a better way I could have written this, but it's just like it just doesn't matter at the end of the day. And this is also not the reason for the bug, so like I think I did this just for the sake of time. That's why it's written like this, but I'm trying to figure out what the bug is. I didn't even press save. I don't think I changed anything, but we'll see. Such a weird... I might take a break on this and do something else, but I know I want to solve this real quick, bro. But damn. I'm just gonna double check one more time so I know it's only when we're sliding that this happens. Wait. If it's only when we're sliding when this happens. Deactivate slide. Okay. It's breaking so much to go through at this point. Like, where's... I don't need to... I shouldn't have to check all this stuff, honestly. I just... It's the same damn code. So I'm just gonna see if that even... that by itself works, because... Holy shit. Yo, what up, King and Binds? What? What does that mean? What's redeemed? What's redeemed 100 mean? All right, let's see real quick. It's playing the don't tell me that fixed it. Don't tell me that fixed it. What the fuck? It looks like it's fixed. Dead. Redeemed 100. What does that even mean, bro? Send highlighted message. I don't even know what that means, dog. Holy crap. Is it something I have to like look at? Yo, thanks for the follow, bro. Is it something I have to like look at Twitch for? I'm like never on the Twitch website, so I don't know. I don't know what that is. Dude, are these like bot accounts, bro? Am I getting spammed? Like, I don't even know. Are these like, I don't even know what that is. Oh shit, dude. Yo, thanks. I think I'm getting spammed. I think a bunch of bots are on my account. What the fuck? Dude, my Twitch is being like spam botted or some shit. Oh my god, dude. Let me like see what that even is, bro. Holy crap. My Twitch is being spam botted. Twitch is being spam botted. Add you on Discord, bro. You'll have to add me on Discord. Yeah, it says that it's a bot. It says that it's bot. So I just got like, so the, these guys are literal bot. I'm getting spammed on my Twitch, bro, with the fledge nuggets. So basically, it's bots. I called it, bro. I called it. I called it. I called it. I called it. Yo, what's up? You're not a bot? All right, sounds good. Trained builder might be bot too. I think so. Cause I don't even know what that is. Redeemed highlight my message. Like I don't even know what that means, bro. And it's not showing me anything, so send highlighted message. No idea, bro. Anyways. I need to like stress test this real quick. Did that actually fix it? Like, I just don't even understand how or why. Something obviously is in my deactivate slide function that uh made it work properly. Yeah, that looks like that fixed it. All right, well, that fixed it. Cool beans. Like, I don't even remember what I put in there. I don't even care to fucking look at it. Yeah, yeah, August. Yes, August we are. Everybody's stuff is different, bro. This movement's good, I think. It's needs polishing though. It's we're still in the polishing phase, which has been taking a bit. Mostly because of waiting on animations, and I've been putting it off and just polishing it here and there. Um, but now we've got the animations coming in. Okay, well that fixed it. So, cool. Saves a load off of my mind. All right. What else was I gonna do? I was gonna go and turn up the speed, I think, for the walk. Where is it? Let me see how this looks. I don't know if this will work. Um, It looks like a lot of the anims are overlapping with the slide jumping. Is that what you're trying to fix? Oh, the get up animation is playing when it shouldn't. That's not what I'm trying to fix, Mighty Mouse. But thank you for reminding me to fix that. No, that's not what I was trying to fix. For some reason, what I was fixing is already fixed. Basically though, like for some reason, after you slid, you did a super jump from sliding only, because you can do a super jump two different ways, from sliding or if you're right on the edge and you're sprinting like that. So this was the edge. Um, so yeah, for some reason after this specifically sliding super jump, your normal jumps would be like it would like cut off the animation like right as before you're about to hit the floor. So I was doing something in my deactivate slide function that uh didn't create that bug, and by not doing it, it created that bug. So, yeah. Anyways, a state machine for the movement would be cool. There's just no point though. I mean, truthfully. But yeah, the animations overlapping you're talking about are the get up and the I think it's just the get up. So like let me see this. My deactivate, where's the deactivate at? Where the fuck? There it is. So if get up, like I'm just gonna do this real quick, you know what I mean, just to fix it. Um, get up, and I'll do that, and then let's go here. So we want to, let's put a question mark right there. So we want to play it. Where do we want to play it at? Not right here. If get sliding equals true. Not right here. Right here. Then we have slide action dot released. Slide action dot released. Same thing. Same design. Let's see if that works. What's the get up for? Like the boolean I just put in? Like now you don't see the get up animation play when we super jump, but it'll play when we are done sliding. That's what the get up was for. So when we're done sliding, we're gonna get up from our slide. You see? You see that? I think we're still redoing. I can't remember. I think we're still redoing the super jump. I think we're still redoing the super jump, and the hard fall is still like being worked on. I think I'm pretty sure. Tedious to manage. Dude, like, here's the thing, and I was just having this conversation with somebody earlier, I think. Like earlier this morning maybe. But here's like the big thing, right? It's like the simpler the better, okay? There's no need to get all these. There's so many tools you could be using. Dude, I see projects with like over a dozen freaking frameworks and libraries and tools that people are using, and some of them do the exact same thing. And they're using this to manage different things, but they're using different frameworks, and it's just like there's just no need for all that, bro. The simpler the better. You know what I mean? Like a state machine for character movement. Like, really? Is it that deep? Probably freaking not. Probably freaking not. The simpler you can have the project, the better. And the reason why is because of long term. All right? Long term, this is how I think when I'm approaching these systems and building these systems out, right? Like, is this going to make sense long term? Is this going to be efficient if I were to come back a year from now, 2 years from now, and build off of the same project and modify and change things or, add features? You know what I'm saying? And oftentimes people just get so chaotic with their classes and their frameworks that they want to bundle up and all this other stuff that's just not necessary at all. And it's not like these things make the coding experience or the programmer experience better. Oftentimes they can, like React and Fusion and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? Knit for its time was really good. But now it's like, you don't even want to touch it because IntelliSense. So there are times where it makes a lot of sense to use these things, but then it's like there's a lot of times where I think people overuse them, and it can bring down the efficiency. Since 2020, what am I looking at, bro? Sometimes my brain just gets so toasted, and I just be looking like I know y'all saw that. I'm just looking for nothing. I'm looking for straight nothing. Yo, what up, Ahmed? What are you doing, Ahmed? What did I just do? What did I just do? I'm fucking cooked. I'm fucking cooked. I'm goaded. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Sometimes I be reading the name and then forget about the chat. Reading a book about astronomy and drinking coffee. Well, that sounds lovely. Doesn't that sound lovely? It almost brings tears to my eyes. I think I'm actually tearing up right now. I'm not gonna lie. Like I might actually cry if I were to allow myself. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, I'm tearing up right. Oh my, actually make me cry. Ah. Crocodile tears is crazy. No, I was gonna get something there real quick. What the Did I put it in the wrong? It's the same. I never copied it. Oh my god. What is wrong? What is wrong with me? I thought I could have swore I pressed that copy button. You know I do. You know I do. You know I press copy. I press copy like my life depends on it. Yeah, ATP, I might just go for a simpler approach. I had the idea of loading everything by a module loader, so seeing this kind of makes me realize, dude, this is how I code all my projects. And you know what? You know what? When it comes like say Don, right? Say Don, he has another coder, a while from now, just kind of jumping on the project. It's gonna be so easy for that dude to look over this code because I mean, well, if he's good, right? Because it's simple. There's nothing complex about this. It's linear, it's organized, it's structured. Now you could sit here and complain like, oh, almost 1,000 codes in the movement, and by the time the movement client script is done, it's going to be probably well over 1,000. I don't care though because that's not an issue. It's very linear and structured. It's not chaotic and all over the place, right? Like it's very readable, okay? It's very readable. And so as long as it's readable, the script could be 5,000, 10,000 lines. That doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Things are like very simple to understand here. Very simple to go through, you know, and find things. You know what I mean? Like it's not a hassle. And same with all the other scripts, dude. Same with all the other scripts. Oh, I gotta turn the stamina back on, but not for this. For the dash. Got to turn the stamina back on for the dash. Boom! Stamina's back on for the dash. For the dash, though. You know what I mean? But I don't know. I'm just like kind of like dude, I suck. After a certain time, like I feel like after 5 p.m., my brain starts to kind of get cooked and I can't explain things very well. So, but you know what I'm saying? Like it's just very simple, bro. I'm gonna turn down that walk a little bit more. Yeah, I thought a state machine could work as you encapsulate each state as a function and each checks for possible transitions, but yeah, as it is, a state machine could add some complexity. Exactly, bro, and it's unnecessary. Yo, what up, Assault? It's unnecessary. Thanks for the W, Assault. It's unnecessary. What are you up to, Assault? It's unnecessary to add that type of complexity. Like it's just not needed. And what's gonna happen is now you're like making it harder to kind of work off of in the future. You know, if you were to come back to something that's more complex a year from now, you know what I mean? Versus something super simple. Now, I will say some of this is BS what I'm doing here. It's just like quick stuff that I'm doing. It's kind of goofy, but it's not like it's a problem really because it's still simple. It's it's very simple to understand this. Like a good programmer is going to come over here and be like it's just very readable, right? It's readable. It's the readability is what is important to me. You know, does this make sense? You know, and then this type name here could maybe be a better variable name, you know, but it's like for the most part, it's you know, it's pretty, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, it's just simple, bro. It's just simple code. It's not, I'm not going to sit here and glaze it and say like it's amazing code, like it's to the best S tier standards or, you know, whatever else you can think of, but it's just very, very simple. There's nothing overly complex about what's going on. That's how I try to do it. I try to keep it the most simple I can possibly do while also thinking about time, doing things for the sake of time, while also thinking about, again, if I come back a year, 2 years from now, are we cooked? Or are we rocking and rolling still? Like we never took a break from it. You know what I mean? That's kind of how I look at it. What was I doing, bro? I forgot. Oh yeah, I remember now. Let's get this jump going. Right here, I'm gonna turn this down because it was just a little too high. A little too high. And then wait, I don't even think I see a difference in this run animation, bro, honestly. Well, I'll say this. Game's gonna be lit once the freaking movement's 100% polished. And there's VFX and SFX. Holy crap. I think it's gonna be freaking awesome. Where's the stamina at? Where's my stamina code at? Okay. Server. Request dash. Huh? Gonna ban. Okay. Stamina minus equals exhaust value equals full. Oh, this is for the request dash. I thought, why did I think this was in a run service event? I'm tripping. Okay. All right. So, if not seem to continue, exhausted per player plus equals step. If exhausted per player, default time until not depleted. Else if get sprinting. So if stamina dot value, else if stamina dot value is less than. So I'm on it, like honestly, I need to take this right here. So here's what I'm gonna do. And yo, thanks for the follow, Rick. That's what I'm. What game is it? It's called Mana. It's gonna be bigger than the Forge. Um, and yeah, pretty much. You're gonna have like a fire abilities and stuff. No way. Why when I get max height, the dash fucks up, but now it doesn't? I don't know. The dash like barely fucks up, like barely at all, like barely, like right there it does. Why? But then if I do a regular dash, it doesn't. Now I'm out of stamina, bro. Like, come on. Um, so this. Actually, hold on a second. On stamina depleted, connect function. Shit. Shit. I don't need to do this, I don't think. So, yeah, we're not going to do that. It's just this right here. Okay. Yeah, it's like a like deep woken, I guess. Like deep woken. There we go. And so now what happens is if the stamina is depleted, it's going to have like a little bit of time before it starts going back up. So, little cool little mechanic there. And it wouldn't be, and it would be simple to take it out. I need to make a note of that. For some reason, the whatchamacallit? Hell nah. For some reason, the dash fricks up only if you're in air now, which doesn't make any sense. Something is happening with these animations, bro. So I have to kind of see like, yeah, what? Like what? Like what? Don't make no sense. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna focus. I gotta focus on that like a whole nother day. Okay. Deep Woken. Who freaking voted Deep Woken, dude? Have y'all even played Saber Warriors, dude? It's the tits. All right, Assault. Keep it a buck 55, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, Sinners. Sinners. Oh my god. Is that Sinners? Refinery Caves? You play Refinery Caves 2 lately? What's Yunk? Oh my god, you guys are at 1.6K? Oh my god. Oh, did you? They got like 10 new devs? Got you. 10? Like, how are they affording these people, bro? They're getting make no money, bro. Let's keep it about. That's fucking unreal. Bro, they took some pointers though from your boy, I'll tell you that much. They took some pointers from your boy, I'll tell you that much. But they still have that debounce in. It's gonna kill him. And outside of that, there was like one or two other things I noticed that were like really weird. They just need to remove the debounce, dude. They got rid of it. It's still like it's like 1.1 seconds. It's like 1.1 seconds, bro, the debounce. You work on 14 games? Like, what are you talking about? What are we talking about at Brant? What are we actually talking about here? Can you can you explain yourself? Because I need you to read back your own chat. I need you to read back your own chat. That doesn't make any fucking sense, bud. Okay? You're not the Flash, alright? Dude says I work on 14 games. Like, can we be dead ass? Can we be dead ass for a second, bud? Alright, what was I doing? Adding a debounce for the slide. Let's go. Okay. Hmm. Okay, now I can't slide. Mm. Ooh, that was sick. That was actually kind of sick. Ooh, it's kind of clean. Dang, that's actually kind of clean. Hold on. Deep Woken 1000 next better than Saber Warriors, bro. I mean, they're two completely different games. It's not even a fair comparison if we're keeping it a buck. It's two completely different games. Yo, RZ, does this look lit though? I'm gonna keep it a B59K though. Does this look lit? Check this out. Hold on. Like, now I can't do it all of a sudden because I got performance anxiety. Fucking RZ. Can't even do it anymore. God dang it. God dang it. Yeah, did you see that? Did you see that? No, you saw that. Hey, did you see that? It's playable, RZ, if you want to test out the new with like the new movement. Yeah, that's sick though. Not gonna lie. Yeah, dude sucks. Whatever, dude. Yo, I am not hitting these though. You're right. I'm not hitting these, bro. Sinners, what are you doing now though if you're not doing refinery caves? Oh, that's sick. That's actually sick though. Fuck. It is kind of hard though. It's like not easy. There we go. There we go. You gotta time it. You gotta time it. It's all about the timing and the distance. Yeah, you boys. Dude, that's actually lit. Come on. That's actually lit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Nothing. I think I'll start doing dev stuff again soon. Yeah, bro, why not? Come on, dude. What is this? I just saw some jitter. Okay, don't even like look at me at this point. Is the vault animation kind of like weird? Is it? I don't know. I gotta fix the animation. Sometimes there's a weird thing that happens. Um, but it's only in certain ones. It doesn't happen at all in other ones. Gotta figure out what happened. What the? What is that stutter, bro? Like it's playing like idle. Why are we playing idle? I need to fix that. I think it has something to do with the way I'm playing idle. And so I think what's going to end up happening is I'm going to change it. What's the bug? You got him laid off after the cooldown incident? What? When you jump off something, it dashes sometimes. Huh? What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? It's playing. Oh my god. I'm actually kind of annoyed. I see it though. I see it though. I think it has something to do with this. Nah, that's not it. Nah. Um, yeah, wait, this was it actually. So that should be a fix for that. Okay. There we go. Should work now. Did I publish it? Can't remember. Ooh, let me check that vault again. It's so hard to vault up there. There we go. It plays weird there though. I need to fix this. This is what I need to do. I need to write this in a to-do list. And I need to fix the way the idle plays. Should never ever be playing over and over, dude. Saber Warriors got on your homepage? Hell yeah, bro. This is a fire game. I can't wait to add the what I'm working on this week for it. Which is instead of 1v1 duels, you'll be able to do 1v1s, 2v2s, and 3v3s. Which I think is gonna be sick. You gonna give me the best saber on the down low 55k? You're funny, bro. I don't even know if you would like allow me to do that. I mean, I don't want to put it in without him knowing about it. I'll ask though if I can like, you know, if there's like an admin thing. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Saber Warriors. Because we're sabers. Do. Yeah, we're sabers. Yeah, we're sabers. Saber Warriors. Do. Yeah, we're saber. Yeah, we're saber. All right. What was I doing, bro? What was I looking for? I think it was the sliding. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm like barely locked in, bro. You know, it gets this late, and I also spent so long bug fixing, so I'm like cooked. But right now, I'm trying to smooth out the rotation for the this right here. So it gets set. Oh, this is what happens. Okay, okay, okay. It works perfectly. Not in shift lock or in shift lock. Then not in shift lock, it can be a little janky. Let's see. Let's see if ChatGPT can holy physics. Have you done a lot of physics stuff, RZ? Okay, let's just, you know what? Let's get a little crazy and put in this ChatGPT code that it gave us to make it smooth. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it works. What type of physics stuff have you done? Does that look better? I honestly can't tell the difference. Basketball physics. Oh yeah. And then I've taken some courses. Like what kind of courses? Like at college or what? Or just regular courses? High school? Got you. Got you. Yeah, I don't really like learning complex math, dude. It's just not fun for me. No, I haven't. Let's see if this one works, and if not, we'll just like keep it the same and I'm gonna work on something else. It's gonna take me time to literally iron it out. I just don't feel like putting in the mental effort right now. Yeah, of course that doesn't work. Knew it wasn't going to. This works perfectly though. Am I even connected, bro? Sometimes it like unconnects. Because I haven't seen a single change, to be honest. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I mean, yeah. What up, auras? No. No, I did not. Why do you ask? I want to cut off the dash animation and play the vault. It doesn't do that though. I know. Fucking crazy. Malachi said something about the character controller to me before. I don't know. I still haven't done any research on that part, to be honest. Um oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what that is, bro. I don't know what that is. I haven't looked at it yet. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna cut off the dash animation if you're vaulting. I think I'm gonna do that. So yeah. What's a lot of math? What's a lot of math? The animations are animations though. I don't even know what we're talking. I don't even know what we're talking about, dude. I'm so tired. I'm so freaking tired. Okay. Dual monitors? No. I'm on one. Damn, it didn't work. It's not stopping. You know what I'm gonna try? Hold on a second. Oh, fuck that. But I think I have something in the code. Animation code is like hacked together low key. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck. Because Action 2 is a higher priority, is it not? It's just not stopping, bro. Nah, there's videos you can find. Nice animations. Oh yeah, bro. Wall vaulting and then falling. Why is it playing falling so much? It's just not. It's not a bug. It's just like it's not stopping the dash animation. It just the dash animation plays all the way through. Thanks. Come on, get over here. All right, bro. I'll be right back. Set the animation to higher action. I mean, I don't know. I have this right here, man. Give me a second. Oh, that's duh. All right, so it's like how do we compare? So pick either action one, yeah, not one, two, or three. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Mittens, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? He just wants nonstop pets, bro. I mean, it's just like it's. I don't think that's gonna work though. It's I don't know, bro. Dealing with animations sometimes, which is kind of weird. I can't even tell if that worked. It didn't work, dude. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. When was the last wall vault that was playing? What? It wall vault didn't even play. Or wait, front dash. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, front dash, then falling plays, then wall vaulting plays. Like what? like, I just don't get it. Set the other animation to the highest. What are you talking about? Because I just did that. Your roll to action then? Yeah, but I just changed it to action 2. So if all the other animations are action 1, then it shouldn't matter, right? But let me see if this works. It looks like it works, but because I'm late on the vault. See, there, it doesn't work. Hold on. Wall vaulting. Falling, front dash, falling, wall vaulting. See, it just like doesn't work, dude. You made cape physics? No, it's called Smartbone. It's a utility. So it is physics. And we have to fix the rig. I have to fix the rig too. Because the rig, you gotta set up the rig a certain way for like, especially for like a cape, or else the top will look weird. So you gotta like make sure the rig's set up properly for it. It's kind of a pain. I mean, it's like, it's not a big deal. I just want the vault, you know? And it's not working. And obviously it should be because I mean, I just don't know. I feel like it should be working. Maybe I'll get rid of it. Maybe I'll just get rid of this for now. And just do a test real quick. It's still not working, so I didn't do anything. When was the last front dash falling wall vault? If wall vault, if wall vault is, the highest priority, why does it still not work? Lingering frames and actions are too high. No, the action's not too high. Because all the animations that are actions are just set to action. So the first one. Holy crap. Hmm? Modeling's your main? Nice. Yeah, what is this? This doesn't even make sense. AI is so retarded sometimes. That's why I barely use it, bro. But sometimes I just don't if I don't feel like putting in the mental effort. I don't even think you can compare. Like, what is it even doing? You can't compare enums, bro. That's not a real thing, is it? I guess we'll find out. I've never seen that before. See, this is when it starts pulling stuff out of its ass and you gotta like be really thorough. Like that's why like you look at this. Yeah, you can't compare fucking enums, dude. Yo, what up, spokes? Top priority, dot value. What? What are you talking about? Can you? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that, bro? Y'all are actually bugging right now. Look. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Well, there you go. It still's like acting weird, but it's like stopping it or something. Oh, cause we're. Hey, yo, that's lit. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey. Hey. Hey, yo. We did it. We now have. We now cut off the dash anim if we vault. Hey, yo. I didn't know you could do that though. That's lit. Okay, cool. I mean, I've just never, I guess, until now had to do it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. You guys are goated. That's one of the good things about streaming and coding, bro, is you got badass freaking people helping you out with stuff you never even had to use until you do it. It uses meta table? Yeah, I don't care, RZ. I don't care, bro. I don't care what you have to say, dude. Yeah, thanks, Noah, RZ. I don't really... We don't care, dude. Or wait, was it Noah? No, thanks, Insomniac. Thanks, Insomniac. But RZ, we don't care what you have to say, dude, honestly. Yeah, you tell him, Insomni. You tell him, Noah. You tell him, brother. You tell him, brother. Yo, he's adding you from Twitch. I think that's kind of badass. Like Twitch and YouTube chat, talking to each other. I think that's kind of badass, I'm not gonna lie. I said items are like tables and that they use tables / meta tables. RZ, we don't even RZ, come on, RZ. Come on, dude. Bro, I feel like RZ would be like a really good side character in Euphoria Season 3 that's coming out. I feel like RZ would be like really good for that. Yeah, this is badass, dude. I'm not gonna lie, this is lit. This is actually lit movement, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Marlon? Wait, let me look that up. Who's Marlon in Euphoria? Marlon, Euphoria. Huh? So you're the least memorable guy in the show? Because I don't remember who that was. I don't know who that is, brother. Not gonna lie. What the fuck is my hair doing, dude? It's getting crazy now. It's about to be Jufro soon, dude. I'm keeping it a B, bro. I'm keeping it a B with you, bro. Like, what do you mean? Paid for what, dude? Paid for what, dude? Marlon, Euphoria. I don't even see the guy. I don't even see. He's not even coming up. He's so irrelevant. Jesus, you pick the most least care. Like, is he a literal extra in like the background, or being the nonchalant, cool, level-headed side character? Yeah, the side character that nobody remembers exists. That's crazy. I think that you just like looked up an extra and like that was somebody's like, oh, there's Marlon. Like, yeah, let's just use him. Should be disappointed. I'm disappointed in you, RZ. I'm disappointed in you, bro. Dude, and then Fez, bro. Oh my god. Is that not mind-blowing? He was like the coolest character. Literally. What up, Doss? Fez? You don't know who Fez is? Are you serious? What's my VS theme? Let me see real quick. What is it? What is my theme right now that I'm using? I have charmed icons on. And then maybe AU. I think I'm using AU. Yeah, it has to be this. Has to be. And then I have like this part turned off. Like the borders and stuff, I have that off. So I'm pretty sure it's AU right now. And then I have charmed icons on, which is lit. And it makes all your shit look like this. I was gonna use the fuck. I was gonna use an extension that makes it look like Roblox, but somebody put me onto this and it looks way better. So yeah. Yeah, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. How long have you been going, bro? 2 hours and almost 20 minutes. Jesus criminy. What the fudge? I could work on the vault now. Hmm. Alright, well, I'm gonna take a break, dude. I still want to get, like, more time in, but I'm getting sleepy, and I'm gonna end the stream. Holy fuck. Thanks for everybody tuning in, dude. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good night, RZ. Peace out.